Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk on about laboratory glassware and their safety. My friends, first of all, you should know about the glassware. Then these tips will be very helpful to you. So I have already uploaded one video on it. So if you are interested to learn all glassware, then go to my video series. Here I will talk about the safety of glassware. So applying grease to stopcocks and ground glass joint. Before applying grease, make sure surfaces are dust free. Use a minimum amount of grease. Too much grease on a stopcock or ground glass joint may cause a vacuum leak due to channeling. Use hexane or acetone to remove grease from glassware. Removal of frozen or stuck joints in stopcocks. Apply heat, then tap joint with a small block of wood. Do not heat a closed systems containing volatile solvent and chemicals. If you are unable to remove the frozen joint, take the setup to the glass shop for help. Now glassware under vacuum. Never apply a vacuum to grease, flask or any apparatus with a flat surface. Use a heavy wall suctions flask for filtering products. Never use a aluminum flask for this purpose. Secure flask with a clamp or other clamping devices. Glassware under pressure. Glass has low tensile strength. Pressure puts glass under tensile stress. Use Rates glass vessel for pressurized reaction due to undetectable flaws that may be present in the glassware. It is not advisable to use glass in a pressurized situation. Avoid pressurizations of a glass vessel for transferring a liquid or solvent. Proper clamping of glass apparatus. Use rubber lined clamp or glass tip at the point of clamp. Never over-tight the clamp. Over-tightening will crack the joint and point of contractions. Use multiple and proper clamp for holding the reaction setup. Now my friend, heating and drying of glass vessel. Flat bottom flask should only be used for gentle heating. Aluminum flasks are good for the moderate heating, such as boiling water. Never heat a heavy wall filter flask. Round bottom flasks are best for the heating. These round shape distributed heat evenly over the surface, causing a least amount of stress. If possible, avoid using a flame to dry a flask. Oven and drip drying is preferred. Condenser glass connector tubing. Warm plastic tubing with hot water or dip the end of the tube into a solvent such as acetone to soften before pushing it onto the glass connector. Hold the glass connector adapter near the end of the glass to be inserted. Cut plastic and rubber hoses off. Don't pull them off. You can see about the flash chromatography. Use a proper regulator to control the pressure inside the column. Never use uncontrolled pressure for eluting the column. You see the flash chromatography, pressure adapters. Here, don't like this. Always look like chips. Now distillation setup. This is boiling chips. Remember all the time. A strain point, thermometer and adapter. You can see here water in rubber band. So cleaning, storage and disposal of glassware. Handle glassware carefully while cleaning. Use rubber mats in sinks. Store glassware on non-movable shelves and cabinet whenever possible. If a storage in drawers is necessary, use proper padding and secondary containment to minimize the possibility of breakage. Use a sturdy cardboard box for the disposal of broken glassware. So my friends, for distillations, for this setup, you can see use round bottom flask only. Avoid strain to adapter. Strains on joint can crack the adapters and flask. Use a strong clamp to hold the condenser in place. Always leave the apparatus open to the air at the adapter receiver, and when distilling solvent chemicals at ATM atmospheric pressure. You can see connecting tube, no force, just cut the tube like this. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.